Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for April 30. 30,000 temporary jobs will be created under Phase 2 of the Jamaica Emergency Employment Program, JEEP. Project Director Lucille Brodber says in the 2012 to 2014 fiscal years, persons will be employed to work on road, river, bridge and gully projects, as well as on replanting exercises in forest areas, agriculture projects and as assistant teachers.
Preference will be given to persons who are between the ages of 18 to 40, although persons over this age in need should not be excluded, especially those with the necessary skills.
Mrs. Brodber was speaking with JIS News during a recent think tank session. She said a website would be established at the Ministry of Transport, Works and Housing with information about the JEEP projects. The Heart Trust will be establishing a tracking system and providing data on all persons employed under JEEP in order to effectively measure its success after the 2-year implementation period. Already close to 3,000 persons have found employment and training under the first phase of JEEP, which began in March and ends in June. The tax cheat line set up a year ago to help the authorities catch tax dodgers is proving successful. The tax cheat line 1-888-292-4328 provides a channel through which persons may confidentially submit information about individuals or companies suspected of not paying their fair share of taxes. Tax Administration Jamaica says people are increasingly using the toll-free line to report suspected tax cheats and dodgers. In fact, the authority has identified $176 million in unpaid taxes based on cases reported through the number since it came online on May 1, 2011. The majority of these cases are in relation to underreporting, failure to file, failure to pay over payroll tax amounts, false and altered documents, and unlawful collection of GCT. Of the 225 cases under investigation, 105 have been closed or dispatched to other public bodies for action. Government is finalizing plans for a global celebration with the Jamaican diaspora to commemorate the country's 50th anniversary of independence. The program, called O2, will be formally announced in a matter of days. Minister of Youth and Culture Lisa Hanna made the disclosure in an interview with JIS News, but refrained from divulging much, saying a formal launch would be held shortly.
O2 is going forward. Just to say to Jamaicans that there's going to be a fantastic program in London. And that's a part of the global celebration. And wait till you hear about that. I mean, I'm even excited about that.
The Youth and Culture Minister adds that she will be providing regular updates on the Jamaica 50 plans through the Jamaica House press briefings. The members of 2 community-based organizations, CBOs in Trenchtown and Tivoli Gardens, will be getting training and other assistance to promote alternative dispute resolution practices in their communities. The Dispute Resolution Foundation signed a memorandum of understanding with the groups recently to implement the DRF's We Want Justice project in their environs. DRF will provide technical assistance and training along with public education and promotional materials. The CBOs, meanwhile, pledged to promote the use of alternative dispute resolution in their communities and to establish and maintain collaborative problem-solving partnerships. Kingston's Mayor Senator Angela Brown-Burke welcomed the initiative, saying it will help residents to work in unison for the betterment of their areas and the country as a whole.
Giving us the tools to demand that justice in a way that celebrates our dignity and empowers us at the same time, and one that is going to leave a legacy for our children of which we can be truly proud.
And finally, Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller has assured members of the business community in Philadelphia that she will do everything possible to make investing in Jamaica a hassle-free process. The Prime Minister was addressing over 200 members of the Philadelphia business community at a reception given in her honor at the Pyramid Club in downtown Philadelphia Friday night. At the function, Mrs. Simpson-Miller was presented with the city's highest award, the Liberty Bell. The award was in recognition of her status as Jamaica's first female Prime Minister and the recent recognition given to her as one of Time magazine's 100 most influential people in the world. The Prime Minister's meeting with the Philadelphia business community was one of several engagements undertaken during a 5-day visit to that city and New York. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.